What's going on, YouTube? So, this is the weather we live in. 36 days until spring. But until then, these babies sleep. Anyways, I just wanted to show some mods I did over the winter time. As you can see, there's snow on the ground. There's my babies just sleeping, just sleeping patiently. Lovebirds. Anyways, this is my baby number one. She's a 2017 CBR600. The double R. Yeah, baby. Double double R. Sorry, get it away. Alright. So, cola stuff. What should I start with? Let's start with the signals. So I got the little flush mounts from TST Industries. Thank you guys. You guys do crazy shit. Always make it fit. So these are pretty cool. Actually, if I turn them on. Let's turn them on. So they light up white. Just to go with the look with the bike. And when I turn the signal on, it's orange. Not a big fan of the orange, but you know what? It is what it is. So after that, I got the HIDs. I did the HIDs, nice and bright. I think they're about 8K, I believe. But wait, check this. When the lights are off, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see in the video. They look like eagle eyes or snake eyes. They're $5 on eBay. Chinese brand, but whatever. As long as they're not full with coronavirus, I'm kidding. Yeah, they look pretty cool. I think pretty nice. Give a little touch to it. What else? What else did I do? I got the frame sliders once again. TST Industries. Thank you. You guys are awesome. I had to cut a little hole on the both sides, but that was a little project. Smoke a little doobie. Just get to work. It was a good little project. I also have a GoPro mounted here. That's why you see the GoPro sticker. And I did a little addition over here for CBR600rr. I got this from wish.com. It was like $2. I think it looks pretty cool. What else did I do? Oh yeah, here comes the tail. So the Toast exhaust. Oh my god. The best purchase ever. I'm telling you, boys and girls. If you go in a double R. Yeah, look at that. Look at that sexy little ass. Jesus, just want to stick it in there. Sorry, get a little turned on my motorcycle here. Yeah, this is the Toast exhaust. That thing looks pretty sharp. Now, according to the TST Industries, that's actually where I got it from. Once again, props to them, TST Industries. You guys did a great job. According to them, it shaves off 11 pounds. I don't know if that's true, but when I took these exhaust off my stock one, it was pretty heavy, man. It's about 10 pounds, I think. So maybe I do believe them. What else did I do? Got the tank pad, which everyone does, not a biggie, but I love the exhaust. And I'll turn it on for you boys and girls. Just look at that. Oh yeah, and then I did the Honda little stripies there, or little stickers, and I did a pretty bad job on the decals, eh? Yeah, don't look at that. I wasn't high enough to do that one. Anyways, this is my baby. It's a 2017 RR600. Unfortunately, they stopped making these bikes. Oh yeah, there's another thing I did is a little heart. I like to add a little touch to it. Oh, yeah. Unfortunately, they don't make these anymore. So I was the last one to buy it in Canada. I'm from Ottawa, Ontario. So I'm really happy to be an owner of one of this. So yeah, it's a great bike. I really like it. And looking forward to summer, and especially with the new CBR600rr, it's not the same. Just look at this baby. Look at this. It's just beautiful. So yeah, let me turn it on for you. Oh, one more thing. I did add an alarm to it because my first CBR got stolen. So I don't want to take any more chances. So there's the alarm, key fob, and the little thingy. So I'm gonna start this for you. She's already warm because I was in the garage playing with it. Ready? It's gonna be loud. Oh yeah. that's about it. I think I forgot to show you the light. Once again, TST Industries, thank you. You guys are awesome. Except for the customs, I gotta pay for the customs. Other than that, we're good. So that's my baby. I don't post a lot of videos, as you can see. This is my first kind of official video since my last CBR I had. Yeah, so in the summertime I plan to make more videos, just, you know, ride around, you know, make some videos, just enjoy life. Oh, that's my other baby, by the way. That's my other wife. She's the 1300 ST. It's a nice bike, comfy, you know. It's no CBR600, but you know what, I'm old, I'm not gonna be young anymore, so I need something for me and the wife. So we just jump on this baby and we go. It's great, we love her both. But this is my baby number one. Alright, YouTube, post some comments. You know, let me know if there's any ideas that I can do. I'm ordering new Pilot Road 5s, I believe. Yeah, Pilot Road 5s, yes. So, looking to put those on her and have a safe summer. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Please, once again, make some comments below if you hate it or like it. Any other ideas that you can give me, that'd be greatly appreciated. Post some pictures about your CBR. If you're a CBR owner, I'm a big fan of CBRs. Don't get me wrong, I love all motorcycles, but this motorcycle is just it's never. It's sad that they don't make it in Canada anymore. But they made a 2019 model in the States, black and red. It looks pretty cool, but this particular I find that it's better. All right, I'm out and about.